Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about how to add employee documents in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into our Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the HR module. Here, we have to choose Employee Master. Now, click on the edit icon of which employee we are going to add the attachment. Click on the Documents menu and click on the Add Documents button. Here, we have to select the document type. And enter the required details. And click on Choose File button to upload the document. Then click on the Save button. Now, the employee documents will be added. This is how to add employee documents in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.